Welcome, in front of me I have Honor Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm on this device. First, we need to open the Huawei Health app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on Devices, select our Honor Band 5 from the list of devices, and here scroll down, then tap on Alarm. In here we have already pre-existing alarm, and we can enable it or disable it by tapping the slider next to it, like this. Or we can tap on it itself to edit it. Here we can change the time. We can set hour, minutes. And below we have Smart Wake Up option. We can tap on it and select 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Simply tap on the option you like to select it. And at the bottom we have repeat, and here we can select the days on which the alarm is gonna be active. We can simply select them or unselect them according to our preferences. And once you're done, simply tap OK. And to save your settings, tap on the check mark in the top right corner, like this. You can also add your own alarm by tapping on Add button right here at the bottom. Again, set the hour, tap on tag. Here we can basically change the name of the alarm. So let's call it maybe then tap on repeat, and here we can select the days on which the alarm is gonna be active, like this. Then tap OK, and tap the check mark to save the settings. And here we have alarm. We can enable it or disable it. We can tap on it to edit it. And if you want to delete it, tap on it to enter the editing mode. And at the bottom you have delete alarm. Tap on it, then tap delete. And that's how you set up the alarm on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.